In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Google Docs. If you've ever had a list of names, items, categories, or keywords in a document and wanted to organize them quickly, alphabetizing can make everything much easier to read. Google Docs doesn't always make this obvious by default, so in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to do it using an add-on. To get started, open your Google Doc and go to the top menu. Click Extensions, then Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that add extra features to Google Docs. In the search bar, type in Doc Tools. This is the add-on we'll use to sort your text alphabetically. Once you find it, open the listing and install the add-on. Depending on your settings, Google must ask you to review permissions before the installation finishes. Just follow the prompts on your screen to complete the setup. After the add-on is installed, go back to your document. Now highlight the text you want to alphabetize. This is important because the tool will sort the selected text, not the entire document unless everything is selected. Make sure you only highlight the list or section you actually want reordered. Next, click Extensions again in the top menu. From there, select Doc Tools and then click Start. This will open the Doc Tools sidebar, usually on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to load. Inside the Doc Tools panel, look for the sorting options. You'll be able to choose either Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A. If you want your list in normal alphabetical order, choose A to Z. If you want it reversed, choose Z to A instead. Once you click the option you want, the selected text will be reorganized automatically. This is especially useful for long lists, glossaries, references, or any grouped information that needs to be cleaned up fast without manually dragging lines around. As a quick tip, double check your highlighted text before sorting so you don't accidentally reorder headings or extra paragraphs. If something doesn't look right afterward, you can always undo the change and try again with a more precise selection. And that's how to alphabetize in Google Docs using the Doc Tools add-on. Once you've installed it, the process is very quick the next time you need it.